Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Valorant account. First, open Opera GX. Here, search for Riot Games support. Then tap on the first link. So here, select the game. Here you have landed on Valorant support. Now search for Recover Your Account in the article search bar. There you can read the whole article as to how you can recover your Valorant account. After this, scroll down. Then click on the Begin Account Recovery. So provide your account details first. This includes your username and Riot ID. Next, provide some extra details like your birth date, etc. By doing so, you can initiate your Valorant account recovery. And that's all. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.